Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are all going through a very trying time, and I know that today only the Prime Minister has asked us to stay at home little longer. But I really want to welcome each and every child of mine to NK Bagrodia Public School Sector 4 Dwarka in their nurseries and KG classes. I'm extremely missing each one of them. I'm missing those young ones who would come crying through the doors of NK Bagrodia every day, sit in my lap sometimes, and then once their parents come, once they are ready to go home, they are all smiles. Every day looking forward to get something beautiful from their teachers. My teachers were also getting ready to prepare them and to take the challenges every day. But unfortunately, that has been delayed a little bit. Let's take this time and make an opportunity to be with our children all the more. I know that it's difficult to be with the children for so long, but let us take it as a blessing. Because when did we ever get so much of time with our children? When we were all waiting that we sit with them at home, we talk to them at home, tell them stories, tell them stories about your own childhood. Please do that. Tell them stories from simple things which are around you. Tell them a story of a biscuit. Tell them a story of a bird who is alone outside and looking for human beings where they have gone. Tell them the stories of simple things which are there at home. What happens if there is less sugar? What happens if there is simple things not available? How will we manage? Let's make our children aware that there are some trying times in life. I'm very proud that all of you are doing so beautifully and are being connected with the teachers and the children who are sending a lot of work to you. Sometimes I feel that it's nice that you're all getting connected with all of them. I really want to tell you that I'm very proud of the curriculum which we have at NK Bagrodia Public School Sector 4 Dwarka. The curriculum is absolutely scientifically woven. We believe in LSRW and we really believe that how at nursery class age appropriate activities are to be designed, what activities should be there to strengthen the overall development of the children. What activities are to be designed to strengthen their finer and gross motor skills? What activities we have to design to bring in that cognitive development in the children? Of course, leading to language developments. My children are slowly and gradually adapting. So I'm very proud of the scientific curriculum which we have. And I know, and it's a time tested thing, I know that gradually how all the children learn, adapt, and of course become so confident by the end of the session. Every day, every skill is honed through the curriculum which we have. Through LSRW, we believe that listening is very, very important. And when can we have a lot of listening? When we have time with our children. We always thought that we don't have time with our children. So now we are having a lot of time. Please listen to the children. Because listening is very, very important part of child's learning. In my orientation program, which did not happen, and we had planned a lot of activities for all of you, and it's a beautiful time when we learn to know you and you people learn to know the system which we have, which might happen once we meet once again, definitely. In that, I always tell the story of Abhimanyu. Mothers, please tell the story of Abhimanyu to your children. and make them understand that how listening, the first auditory skill, is very, very important for all of us. The Prime Minister has extended the lockdown. Everyday teachers are sending a lot of work to all of you. My request to all of you is that please and please sit with your children and give them that one to one time and get those activities done very seriously with them, because those are the learning steps which we want the children to reach. Those were the things which the teachers were already planning once the children were there with them. So I'm sure that with your support, and of course with a lot of knowledge and discipline and a lot of understanding which my teachers have, we will definitely make our children confident, knowledgeable, eloquent also. I want each one of them to have a lot of vocabulary. Please talk to your children, give them words. Give them words with one particular letter, a lot of vocabulary with one particular letter, so that their vocabulary also increases, and use them extensively at home as well. I want you to do few things with your children, just very simple 3 things. First is, let us learn to teach all our children Namaste. Let us learn to teach all our children that they should not be sneezing, achhi, like this. They are supposed to sneeze, achhi, on their arms. We have to teach them that they don't have to cough like this. They have to cough like this. 3 things which I want all of you to make sure that your children learn. We have to change, we have to adapt when the society changes. It is a major change in the society today. We have been asked to make a lot many changes. So let's adapt and make our children also adapt for a brighter future, for a beautiful future. I'm missing all my little children. I'm missing all my young and beautiful children. I love each one of you dearly, and I'm eagerly waiting, me and my entire team, eagerly waiting to get you back once again. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.